is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good Tuesday afternoon, everybody. December 23rd. We get a half day in the markets tomorrow, Christmas on Thursday, markets open on Friday. And how about this? Record prices. We got an acceleration higher. S&Ps right now. You are higher by 0.4%, up by 30 points, trading at 69.60, and you do get above the highs we had from October. You're above everything we have in December, and you're at record prices. NASDAQ 100, not quite there, but we're up by a similar 0.4%, up by 110 points, 25,800. You're about 600 points away from all-time highs made back in October. The Dow right now up 0.2%, just under those highs as well. Dow up 80 points at 48,766, and the Russell in negative territory. Russell off by 0.6%. Bitcoin under pressure yet again. Check out Bitcoin. We had a little bit of selling in the overnight and this morning. Bitcoin down by $700 at 87,670. Crude catches a bid though. How about this? Potentially breaking out of that downward channel. Crude up by 44 pennies. Last week we were at 54.98. This week 58.45 as crude inches higher. Now we got GDP numbers this morning. We'll talk about some of those numbers coming up on the Tom O'Brien Show. And we had yields. How's that for a reaction? And a little bit of a recoil. The GDP numbers come in strong. Yield spike to lower price, higher yield on the premise that if the GDP is so strong and we have inflation that's persistent, maybe the Fed's not going to cut as much as everyone thinks. So you get a little bit of higher yield. The 10-year, 4.17. Okay, 4.17. The dollar, though, no reprieve there, man. Excuse me, the dollar, 97.95 right now. The dollar continues to be under pressure as we are potentially breaking this downward channel to the downside on the dollar. And how about those metals, baby? How about it? Gold. Look at this. As the dollars recoil to lower prices, gold within $9 of all-time highs. We're up by $52, up 1.2%, $4,520. You jump over to silver. How about that? 71.48. All right, folks, stay tuned. I'm coming back for the Tom O'Brien Show. We'll talk to Basil Chapman at 3:15, Tim Ward at 3:30. Ho, ho, ho. We'll come right back, folks.